Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove view only in Google Sheets PC. Alright guys, let's get started. Here I have opened my Google Sheets on my PC, and as you can see that this is a view only document or view only file in my Google Sheets. And if you want to remove this view only, first thing we're going to do is clicking on the file option. Then we're going to make a copy, so we can tap on make a copy. And before you make a copy of this document, you can rename this document. But if you don't want to rename the document, you just need to skip this step. Then you can click on make a copy, and you have to wait for a moment until this document has been copied to your Google Drive. Okay, and now the document has been copied, and we can edit this document. I'm going to type in this cell, for example. Okay, and alright guys, that's how we can remove view only in Google Sheets PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.